welcome to my self-branding tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can develop your strong and meaningful personal brand step by step. When it comes to self-branding, it's very important and helpful to have a strategic and a structured approach. And that's what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. My name is Petra Wüst. I'm an expert on self-branding and self-marketing, and I've been supporting my clients for over 15 years to develop their strong personal brand. In this first episode of our self-branding tutorial, I'd like to show you my philosophy in branding. I say, everything you do sends a signal. Everything you do sends a signal. Everything you do will be seen, will be noticed, some of it consciously, most of it subconsciously. Send the right signals. What do I mean? I like to compare this to a jigsaw puzzle. If you have a jigsaw puzzle, 500 pieces, what do you need in order to complete the picture? You need time, you need space, you need patience, but most of all, you need to know what the picture is going to look like in the end. And that's why the pictures of the puzzle is always printed on the box. And once you know what this box, what this picture is going to look like, then you can put the right pieces in the right place. And you have to make sure to put enough pieces so that in the end, the onlooker can see the complete and correct picture. And exactly the same holds for our brand, holds for our own image. If we want to be perceived in a certain way, if we want to have a certain image and we want to influence that image, first of all, we have to have a very clear idea what we want to stand for. So that first question is always, who am I and what do I stand for? I have to have a very clear idea of that. I have to know what my picture on the puzzle box looks like. And once I know that, then I can put the right pieces in the right place, and I'll have to put enough pieces so that the onlooker in the end, the people I work with, the people I deal with on an everyday basis, they get that very clear idea who I am and what I stand for, so that in their minds, my profile emerges. Everything you do sends a signal. Everything you do will be seen, will be noticed. Send the right signals. So self-branding for me is not about, I do one big thing and the whole company knows about it, or my social media community. No, it's a step-by-step approach, or piece by piece, puzzle piece by puzzle piece. Everything you do sends a signal. Everything you do is one piece in your complete puzzle. Make sure you put the right pieces. And what kind of pieces you can put, and what opportunities and what possibilities you have in order to form that very tangible personal brand, that's what we're going to look at in the upcoming episodes of this self-branding tutorial. So, of course, I'd be very happy, very pleased if you join me. And next time we're going to talk about the USP, the unique selling proposition, and I'm going to show you how you can develop that strong USP for yourself. See you there.